Have you ever wondered how acrylic sheets are made? Today, we're taking you inside the KINGSCOPE factory to see the complete production process. The process starts with carefully selected MMA raw materials. The material is filtered to remove impurities, and color pigments can be added according to the customer's requirements. Next, the glass molds are cleaned, assembled, and carefully sealed. The prepared acrylic material is then poured evenly into the mold. The filled molds enter a temperature-controlled water bath. During this stage, the liquid material gradually polymerizes and forms a solid acrylic sheet. The sheets are then heated at a higher temperature to complete the curing process. After curing, they are slowly cooled to improve dimensional stability and surface quality. After cooling, the acrylic sheets are removed from the molds. Each sheet is inspected for thickness, color, transparency, flatness, and surface quality before protective film is applied. In addition to sheet production, KINGSCOPE also provides cut-to-size and custom fabrication services. Our capabilities include CNC cutting, laser cutting, drilling, polishing, bending, bonding, and finished acrylic products. From raw materials to finished acrylic products, every step is carefully controlled. KINGSCOPE supplies acrylic sheets and custom fabrication solutions to customers worldwide. Send us your thickness, size, quantity, or drawing to start your project.